Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. In this video, we will solve question number 5, part 8 from exercise 6.2, chapter 6. Part 8 is ln x की power sin x. Let y is equals to ln x की power sin x. Now, differentiating with respect to x. Taking ln on both sides because we cannot differentiate at this moment on both sides. It's bs. So it will become ln y is equals to sin x ln into ln x. How it becomes? ln y is equals to ln x की पावर sin x. So sin x जो है वो स्टार्टिंग के अंदर आ जाएगा because of this log property and then ln of x. एक ln क्वेश्चन का है और एक ln जो हमने लिया है उसका है. Now differentiating with respect to x, so d by dx of ln y is equals to d by dx of sin x ln of ln x. 1 over y dy by dx is equals to, now this is u and this is v. So v ln x and then derivative of sin x plus sin x and then derivative of ln into ln x. 1 over y dy by dx is equals to, this will remain same, derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x. Now this is tricky. Derivative of ln into ln x. First we will derivate with respect to this ln, the first one. So ln इसका function क्या है? ln x. So it will become 1 over ln x. Now इस ln x का हम डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं. जब हमारे पास नॉर्मली ln x होता है तो हम इसको कैसे डेरिवेट करते हैं? 1 over x and then इस x का डेरिवेटिव that is 1. So अब हम इस ln को कर रहे हैं तो इसका हमारे पास क्या हुआ? 1 over ln x. Then इस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव because it is also ln function, so इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा? 1 over x and now this x का डेरिवेटिव. So x का डेरिवेटिव is 1. Is it clear? If you still have doubts, ask me in the comments about this. Okay? So now 1 over y dy by dx is equals to ln into ln x cos x plus sin x over x ln x. Now in next step we will shift this y to the right hand side, so it will become ln into ln x cos x plus sin x over x ln x into y. So dy by dx is equals to cos x into ln x, मैंने अरेंज कर दिया इसको, plus sin x over x ln x into y, and y is ln x की power sin x, so it is ln x की power sin x. This is the answer.